Alright, let's talk about the Xbox Ally X Microsoft and Asus's bold new entry into the handheld gaming scene. I got to go hands-on with the Ally X, and honestly this thing feels like they took an Xbox controller, split it in half, and jammed a screen right in the middle. It's bulky, sure, but the comfort is on point. Think Steam Deck, but with that classic Xbox controller feel I know and love. Under the hood, the Ally X is rocking AMD's new Ryzen AI Z2 Extreme chip, paired with a massive 24 GB of RAM, and a speedy 1TB SSD. Translation: this little beast is built for serious gaming. During my demo, Gears of War Reloaded ran buttery smooth at 60 FPS on high settings with all the bells and whistles turned on. And that 7-inch, 1080p, 120Hz display? Absolutely gorgeous, especially with FreeSync keeping everything tear-free. The real kicker is the software. It's a super slim version of Windows, focused purely on gaming. The new Xbox app acts as your main hub, easy to navigate with a gamepad, and it even lets you import games from Steam, Epic, and GOG. So yeah, it's basically an all-in-one launcher. There's also AI Copilot baked in for instant in-game help, which is actually pretty cool if you get stuck. Now there's a more affordable base model just called the Xbox Ally, but heads up, the specs are trimmed down. Expect less RAM, storage, and a weaker chip, so it's more for the casual crowd. We still don't know exact pricing or battery life, but with the Ally X's beefy hardware, I wouldn't expect it to come cheap, or to last all day unplugged. But if you want the most comfortable, powerful handheld for Xbox and PC games, the Ally X is definitely the one to watch this holiday season. Are you excited for handheld Xbox? Drop your thoughts down below.